Exponential challenges require exponential solutions. VTT's annual iBEX program unlocks the ingenuity and scientific creativity of VTT's own researchers to develop new concepts and early-stage innovations to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Let's meet the iBEX teams of 2021. The Origami Power team is generating electricity without batteries. The team is harnessing a phenomenon called triboelectricity. This fascinating phenomenon allows the generation of electricity through the contact impact of two surfaces.
So we use the origami structure to increase the surface area and therefore generate more energy. And we also use sustainable raw materials. So definitely no critical raw materials involved in our solution.
The possibilities for this new innovation are wide-ranging since movement can be found everywhere.
Even very simple case of a person walking, basically, that can be the application. It can be any transportation means, so bicycles, cars, and also in industry there are several applications where we can harness the energy.
As the use of wearable electronics increases, the amount of unrecyclable electronic waste accumulates.
Yeah, electronic components are mainly from metals and semiconductors and ceramics, for example. And then some part of that are recyclable. But when they are bonded on let's say, conventional substrates like FR4 or plastics, and they're glued with epoxy-based supporting glue, the separation of those components from the substrate is very difficult and even sometimes impossible.
The Cellulose eSkin team has developed a fully biodegradable nanocellulose film and nanocellulose glue for printed electronics.
We have developed films which enable us to achieve very flexible film quality. We are able to get a very good print on these films. They are basically performing as good as plastic substrate when it comes to printing.
And best of all, the precious metals used in the electronic components, the printed silver, for example, is fully recoverable.
Basically, you could recover all your electronic components that are printed on the film or attached to the film by basically repulping the film in water and getting your electronics component cleanly back.
VTT's iBEX program celebrates the power of scientific problem solving. Follow us to find out what our researchers will be working on next.